Why are we going so fast? Just do me a favor and step out here real quick. Let me take a look at your eyes. Put your feet together like this, heel to heel, toe to toe. Perfect. Okay. See my finger? Just follow my finger with just your eyes. Keep your head really still for me. Keep your head still.
Okay.
How much have you had to drink today?
None.
Yes, you have.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Not a drop. So if I give you a breath test right now, it's zeros. Zeros. You sure? If I gave you a breath test, you would blow zeros.
I don't know what would come up on the test, but I know.
If you haven't had anything to drink, what should come up on the test?
Would it come up at zero?
Zero. If you haven't had anything, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have it in your system, it should be zeros. Want to stay on that line right there, facing this way? Put your left foot all the way over. These tests are super easy. I'm going to explain them in great detail. If you have any questions, just ask. All right? Leaving your left foot on that line right there. Go ahead and put your right foot in front of your heel to toe. Stay in that position. Don't move until I tell you to start the test. Do you understand that? When I tell you to start the test, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps while looking down at your feet and counting out loud. Stay there. You're at 0. Your first step's going to be 1. If you understand the instructions, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I want you to do is count backwards for me from the number 72. Yes. Count backwards and stop at the number 51 for me.
72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62. I'm sorry, did you say stop at 70 or stop
51.
At 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 51. Sorry, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44.
What number did I tell you to stop at?
51.
Last test is an alphabet test. You know your alphabet?
Yes.
I want you to say the alphabet in the correct order going forward, but I want you to start at I and then stop at Q for me.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, G, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sorry, I think
Every test that I've given you, you've showed impairment on. Every test I've given you, you've showed impairment on. You're going 70 and a 40. When I go to stop you, did you see me trying to stop you back there by golf course? What's that? You did? Okay, why didn't you stop back there?
I don't know. I think I must have thought you were stopping someone else.
Okay. And then when we pull in here, what did you do when you pulled in? That would have caught my attention to say, that's kind of weird.
I braked kind of hard. I think I should have.
Not the braking part.
The braking.
When you put your car in park, and you were still doing what?
I was just idling.
No, you were still driving. So did you hear the click, 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 that noise? Yeah, that's what caught my attention. I was like, what are you doing? And then when I come up here, I smell alcohol on you. I do the eye test. It confirms that you've had alcohol, and you've showed impairment on every single test I've given you. And you keep telling me you haven't had anything to drink. Are we going to stick with that statement that you haven't had anything to drink? Yes? Okay. Go ahead and turn around. Put your hands to your back. You'll be placed under arrest right now for DWI. Just relax your hands. Totally relax. Going through that door. Right over here. Let me take those handcuffs off first. See, what I'm about to tell you is very important, so you need to listen to me. First of all, you're under arrest for DWI. The Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, lab tech or technologist who is employed by a hospital, or a physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test is going to be the breath test? Big one set up. The exact same thing. Deep breath, blow until I tell you to stop. Keep going, keep going. your seat. There you go. Okay, Sarah, do you know what the legal procedure is? Sorry, where are you? You'll be here for about 45 minutes, and then I'll take you down to the county jail. They will probably book you in there and probably release you tonight. You have somebody that can pick you up?
Sorry, so I'll be what's in my phone.
Yeah, I have brought your phone. I need to hear that. You'll be in here for about 45 minutes, and then I'll take you down there, okay? And you have enough battery? I just ask you that because if you don't, I can charge it for you. You good? Sarah, go step out here, please. Go ahead and put your shoes on. You can put your phone in your pocket.